Hello there, I'm Levi Chimezi, and this is Smart Housing, a platform revolutionizing real estate in Nigeria through tokenization. So, we've identified different problems in the housing sector in Nigeria, one of which is there's a crisis in housing in Nigeria. According to the Minister of Housing and Urban Development, he recently stated that Nigeria faces a massive housing deficit, requiring 550,000 housing units annually, with an estimated cost of 5.5 trillion naira over the next decade. Then there's also access to affordable housing issues that remains a challenge, especially for low-income earners. Also, real estate investment opportunities are limited and often accessible to the average citizen. Then there's also the financial barriers that causes high entry costs, which causes a high entry cost, preventing many from participating in real estate investments. Then traditional real estate processes are time consuming, opaque, and inefficient. Then there's also the current issue of inflation that's plaguing the Nigerian economy, which is really affecting the real estate sector. Now, why do we care about these problems? We've seen that addressing these problems is crucial for improving living conditions, reducing inequality, and enabling economic growth through broader participation in real estate investments. Now, our solution is the Smart Housing Platform, which is a decentralized platform leveraging the BNB blockchain to tokenize real estate properties in Nigeria. Also, the platform introduces fractional ownership, which enables anyone to invest in real estate with as little as a few thousand naira. The real-time transactions and transparent processes make real estate investments accessible and secure. And the key features of our platform is the tokenization of properties, which allows fractional ownership, thereby lowering the barrier to entry in terms of finance. Then there's a staking and rewards feature that allows users to stake their tokens, their properties tokens, and earn rewards, incentivizing them to participate in the long term. Then there's a referral system that encourages the community to grow organically, and this also rewards users for expanding the ecosystem. Then the governance system allows token holders to participate in decisions related to listing of new projects and property types, and the platform upgrades and direction of the platform. Now, why you should consider the smart housing approach? It's an innovative approach that combines tokenization, DeFi, staking, and governance mechanisms that creates unparalleled opportunities for investors. Scalability. The platform is designed to onboard multiple projects and property types, ensuring continuous growth. Community-driven approach. Our platform success is tied to the strength of our community, incentivizing engagement and loyalty. Now, our business model and revenue streams. The revenue streams involves the token economies, where a portion of transaction fees from staking and property sales contributes to our platform's revenue. Then property development and management, because apart from being on the blockchain, the off-chain activities like property management, facility management, and others generate profits for the platform. The rental income, revenue from long-term rents and short-let apartments are collected too. Governance participation, external property developers that want to use our platform will pay fees to propose and vote on new project listings that the community will vote on. This also ensures only high-quality projects are onboarded on the platform. Then, in making the platform sustainable, we have this growth strategy where we would partner with property developers. This collaboration with reputable developers will bring more properties onto the platform. Then community incentives, leveraging our referral system, would grow our user base organically, expanding to other markets. After we've successfully deployed in Nigeria and other regions within Nigeria, we plan to expand to other regions with similar housing challenges. Now, with this, let's go into a short demonstration of how the platform works. Once users connect to their wallets to the app, the first thing they'll do is to buy a property. So at platform launch, the first property listed will go through an ICO, whereby participants in the purchase of such property will also earn SHT tokens. But these SHT tokens will be locked for a period of time. So this user can just go in and enter the amount of units that they want to purchase from this property listing. So they'll confirm the transaction, and immediately they have been registered that they've bought this unit and they can buy more if they wish to buy. Then, to demonstrate the referral system, once a user purchases a property on the platform, a referral link is generated for them, which they can share with their family members and friends. So using this referral link, let's sign up for another user. So this user is still a new user on the platform, so they'll click on buy, and they can purchase any property unit at all, and that would also register them as a user. So for simplicity, let's still buy the ICO property so that they can get locked SHT, locked smart housing tokens. So they've bought, and so they now participated in this property listing. Now this user has received that other user as their referral. So other users can still log in and participate in purchase of units and all. So let's log in a third user. So this user goes in and also buys this property. So there are about this amount left. So let's just buy still a fraction of that. Then finally, let this user complete the number of units that are left to be bought. So on completion of the sale of each property, users can claim their property units. So since this is the first property that's listed and is going through ICO, users will receive both the property token and locked native token of the platform, which is locked SHT. So this user will receive this amount of locked SHT and the property token itself. Then this other user goes to claim also. Same thing, they'll receive some locked native token and the property token that they bought also. Now let's go back to the first user. Now this user also will claim their property units. Same thing, the native token is minted for them as locked and property tokens that they bought also. Now on the dashboard, their property holdings and the portfolio values and all will be listed. Now the next thing that users can do is to stake their assets. So this user can go and stake their property token, or they can also go and unlock any matured locked native tokens. So let this user unlock some of them that are matured. So the value that they unlocked has now been displayed here. Now in staking, they can use the unlocked SHT token to stake, or they can use the locked one to stake. But either they use this or the locked one, then at least one property token to stake. Then they can set the amount of epochs locked that they want their tokens to be locked. The more the epochs locked, the more rewards that they would they'll receive. So let this user lock. Confirm the transfer of the semi-fungible token, that's property tokens and all. It's interesting to know that the locked SHT token is a semi-fungible token also. So once that is locked, they can start claiming their rewards. Rewards are minted every second. Now, once all these are done and a property is listed on the platform, short letters and tenants can rent the property. Now, for simplicity's sake, this is going to ideally be done on the app, the platform app. That's users coming to the platform to rent tenants and short letters paying their rent and the rest of it. They'll use the platform app, which is yet to be built. So just for demonstration purposes, we just implemented this so that users can just pay rent. And once rents are paid, we can see that on the dashboard, other users can start claiming their rent rewards. So rent rewards received from tenants and the short letters are spread out over the year, so such that those rewards are minted per second also to platform holders. So basically, this is how the platform works as at for now. Yeah. So within our roadmap, we still have other things to implement, of which top of the first things that we want to do is to implement the governance contract. Then also we plan to integrate reward asset lending and borrowing within the platform. Then we would also plan to scale the SmartHousing platform to other regions within Nigeria and beyond. So thank you for listening to this presentation, and we hope that you join the revolution, because smart housing is not just a platform, it's a movement towards democratizing real estate investment in Nigeria and beyond. So be a part of this transformative and invest in the future of the Nigerian housing market. So these are our contact information. Thanks.